Hi everyone, happy to meet you guys again. Today we're going to see how we can install latest version of n8n in a Dokploy. I think right now they released n8n 2.0. It's not like stable, but like I see they released it. So a lot of breaking changes they already did here. So one by one, I can share this link. You guys can take a look. But yeah, before that, I just like to let you guys know how we can install in latest version in Dokploy. So this is my existing n8n with Postgres. So I go here. See, even though it's a latest, if you see here, this is latest, but it's not a latest jar, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up this, version RC3. This is my latest version. Just pulling up, putting into here. Okay, then save it, deploy this. Okay, it may take few minutes because I already have the image inside, so it's ran quickly. Let me check my log. It is running. Yeah, I think it's up now, so I can hit it this. So once I hit it, you guys can able to see the latest things like instant level MCP card guardrails node and new ways to authenticate in an MCP client tool. So that's good thing, right? So yeah, so this is how you can able to upgrade the latest version in Dokploy. If you see here, like they changed the color. I don't know why it's in orange color, but yeah, it's something looks nice. But let me go to the anyway, let me try to open the workflow, how it looks like. Let's see it, right? So I just put this one. So that's good. I think they make it some significant change, if I'm not wrong. This looks a bit nice, but yeah, I'm not too much into that. But this is how you can able to and update the latest version. That's what I want to let you guys know. Other than that, if you see MCP, I'll leave it. I don't want to save anything, so you can easily enable the MCP here. You can get your URL. If you need any credentials or something, you can go here. You have your server and the respective token here. That's good, right? Quickly it should be enabled. Yeah, that's what I like to let you guys know. In top of it, I see the newest instant level MCP Cardinals node and new ways to authenticate. That's all. Yeah, that's all about this video. I don't want to go too much, but yeah, this is a simple way you can able to update the latest version and run it up. Yeah, that's all. We'll see it in next video when the stable version is released. Bye bye. Thank you.